Hi everyone, welcome back. All right, today is the final day of our science experiment. We let this sit for 2 days in vinegar, the egg, and if we can look, if you can see, maybe I can do this. There we go. You can see it better now. You can see all that brown stuff. I'm pretty sure that's the eggshell that kind of disintegrated off of the egg. But we'll see. So right now, I brought some paper towel, a bowl with a little bit of water, and then some more water. Right now it's telling me that we need to rinse it off. So we gently remove the egg out of the vinegar. I don't know if I'll be able to do this. Let's see if I can do it in here. There we go. So I'm going to rinse it off. You guys. Oh my goodness. This is cool. So, we have an egg with no shell on it. Look how cool that is. Oh my gosh, you guys, you have to feel this. It's like squishy and, oh, it's just like, it's really cool. I'm glad that this worked out. So, how does this work? The vinegar, literally, what's in the vinegar disintegrates the egg so that the eggshell just falls apart. And it's a chemical reaction, right? So, and then you get left with this. I mean, how cool is that? You guys have to try this at home. This is a really cool experiment. I know it takes a couple days, but it's well worth it. Wow, that's cool. So, that's it for me. Let me wipe off my hands. So let's do our check. Review and make reflections. What did it do? Did the vinegar remove the eggshell or did nothing happen? What did it happen? Yes, the vinegar removed the eggshell. Really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed this experiment. And I will see you later, okay? Have a great day. Bye.